Guys, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the translation services on Lufe AI. So if you currently have the extension added to your browser and you're currently using it, you may notice that when you click the extension on your browser, you will see that you have a few translation service that you can use. So here is a translation service. If I click the drop down, it currently shows Google, Bing, ChatGPT, Yandex, and Claude and Gemini. You can easily disable a bunch of these if you don't want to have them show up in the list. How do you do that? Click on the settings at the bottom there, then click on translation service on the left hand side, and here you'll see all of them that you have, right? You can go ahead and you can turn off the ones that you don't want. So let's say I don't want the Bing translation and I don't want the Yandex translation. Now, once I do that, it is now turned off. And if I go back and click the extension again in the upper right, then click on the translation service, you will see that those ones are now removed from the options here. And that's how you go ahead and disable it. In case you want to enable some, you can always go back and enable them if you so desire. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.